Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to unbox my new laptop Acer Swift 3. So I bought it from PC World Currys. It has one Acer guidebook and some another papers. So it's Acer 3 setup guidebook. It's has the nice pack. So it's silver color and it has the charger and one USB stick. So set up USB recovery media. It's very useful if we have any problem. If our PC has some problem, so we can recover very easily by using this stick. Look is very nice and very best look for this Acer laptop. It's full HD 1080 and it has the RAM 8 GB and it has the processor Ryzen and also it's include the graphic cards. And if we will talk the battery, so it's about 11 hours and it's a very slim piece like and it has the some USB port and normally like every laptop has, here is the some another ports for USB and something. And one thing here is the one sensor. If you want to specific application or website you want to open, so by using a sensor your finger in here, so you can open any specific website or application. Like if you want to open the YouTube by using your sensor, finger sensor, so you should set up here. So now we will open it. So it has the 8 GB RAM and 256 SSD card. So that's it friends. I hope you like this video and please comment what you think about my new laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.